Assalamu alaikum students. Today's another topic is correctation of aorta. As you know, correctation of aorta, this is a congenital heart disease and this is included in the third group of congenital heart disease. जो congenital heart disease है that are classified into three classes. That are classified into three classes or that are classified into three groups. उसमें से first group जो था that was the acyanotic congenital heart disease. Second one was cyanotic congenital heart disease and third group was the obstructive lesions. जो third group है obstructive lesions. In obstructive lesions, correction of aorta is included. Obstructive lesions. This is the third group of congenital heart disease. Now, correction of aorta होता क्या है? जो ये correction of aorta है, as you know, aorta is the largest blood vessel in the body. जब aorta में narrowing हो जाती है, या हम कह सकते हैं जो aorta है, when it gets constricted and results in the obstruction of blood flow, that condition is known as the correction of aorta. As a definition, you'll see as a definition, correction of aorta is a distinct narrowing or a long segment hypoplasia of the aortic arch. Correction of aorta is a distinct narrowing or a long segment hypoplasia of the aortic arch. That means कि जो aorta है, when aorta में क्या होता है, it gets narrow. Aorta gets narrow या हम बोल सकते हैं जो aorta है, it gets constricted. Aorta जो है ये constricted हो सकती है या हम बोल सकते हैं जो long segment of the aortic arch होता है उसमें hypoplasia हो सकता है. That means that underdevelopment or inadequate development of organ or tissue. That is the hypoplasia. जो aortic arch होते हैं उसमें क्या होती है, during the development वो properly develop नहीं होता है. That condition is known as the correction of aorta. Usually कहाँ से होता है? Usually distal to the subclavian artery. When there is narrowing or constriction in the aorta or long segment hypoplasia of the aortic arch, usually distal to the subclavian artery. इसकी वजह से क्या हो जाता है? There is obstruction in the blood flow. जो ये narrow aortic arch होती है, क्या हम बोल सकते हैं जो ये narrow aortic lumen होता है, it may exist as preductal or postductal. The narrow aortic lumen, it may exist as preductal or postductal. It may exist as preductal or postductal. Preductal हम बोलते हैं it's a part that is related of aorta proximal to the aortic opening of ductus arteriosus, and this is the part of aorta distal to aortic opening of ductus arteriosus. That means कि जो obstruction होती है, obstruction is depending upon the position of obstruction depending upon the position of obstruction in relation to ductus arteriosus. In relation to ductus arteriosus. obstruction depending upon the position of obstruction in relation to ductus arteriosus. That means कि preductal is the preductal obstruction जब होती है, that means कि preductal obstruction में हम क्या बोलते हैं in relation to ductus arteriosus, ये ductus arteriosus की paroxysmal हो जाती है. पोस्ट डक्टल में जो डक्टस आर्टीरियोसिस इसके डिस्टल में हो जाती है ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन. आल्सो जो लीजन होता है दैट प्रोड्यूसेस एन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन टू द ब्लड फ्लो. लीजन की वजह से हो जाती है ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन द ब्लड फ्लो में. द लीजन प्रोड्यूसेस एन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन. लीजन प्रोड्यूसेस एन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन in blood flow. The lesion produces an obstruction in blood flow through the aorta, thus causing increased pressure and workload of left ventricle. As you know, obstruction जो होती है, obstruction किस में होती है? aorta में. As aorta gets constricted और aorta gets narrowed, इसकी वजह से जो lumen होता है that produce obstruction आती है किस में? blood flow में obstruction आती है. कहाँ से? through the aorta. जब aorta में obstruction आती है in the blood flow में, इसकी वजह से increase हो जाता है pressure. Also left ventricle में workload जो है वो भी बढ़ जाता है. जो ये constriction है that is found constriction is found in the shape of a sharp indentation involving the anterior, lateral and posterior wall of aorta. जो ये कंस्ट्रक्शन होती है that is found in the shape of a sharp indentation involving the anterior, lateral and posterior wall of aorta. जो इसमें collateral vessels होती है that grow and bypass the corrugation of aorta. जो aorta होती है उसके बाद जो aorta होती है that immediately distal to corrugation. Aorta immediately distal to corrugation is often dilated. Aorta immediately distal to corrugation of aorta that gets is often usually is dilated. Collateral जो collateral vessels होती है that grow करती है, जो उसमें collateral vessels है वो grow करती है and bypass the corrugation to perfuse the lower body parts. जो इसमें कोलेटरल वेसल्स होती है दैट ग्रो और वो क्या करती है, वो बाईपास करते हैं इस कोरेक्टेशन को किस लिए? टू परफ्यूज द लोअर बॉडी पार्ट्स. जो ये कंडीशन है COA. This is also abbreviated as COA. That means correctation of aorta. ये ज़्यादातर फाउंड होती है जो एक कंडीशन है, that is the correctation of aorta. This is more commonly found in male. ये ज़्यादातर पाया जाता है मेल में. This is more commonly found in male and also may accompany many defects. Other defects like VSD, ASD, PDA, tubular hypoplasia, bicuspid valve stenosis, या bicuspid aortic valve. This is also more associated with Turner syndrome. जो correctation of aorta है, this is more commonly found in male में, and जो ये condition है, it may accompany other defects like ventricular septal defect, atrial septal defect, patent ductus arteriosus, tubular hypoplasia, bicuspid aortic valve. Yeah, this is also associated with Turner syndrome.